get home with 3 grocery bags in one hand, your cell phone in your mouth, and you're patting every pocket like, where are my keys? Yeah, that used to be me, until I upgraded to the Vi's Fingerprint Smart Lock. And now, I walk up, press a finger, and I'm in. Like a futuristic ninja with snacks. Let's be real, keys are annoying. You lose them, you forget them, and you loan them out and never get them back. And the spare I hid under a fake rock, not fooling anyone. So I wanted something secure, easy to use, and ideally something that I can install without calling my friend who thinks he's a locksmith but really just owns a drill. The Vi's VEO17L is a keyless fingerprint smart lock with 2 lever handles, so it actually works like a normal door but smarter. It has 3 ways to get in: fingerprint, code, and a good old-fashioned key. I haven't used the key, but it's nice to know I won't get locked out if my thumb ever forgets who I am. The fingerprint scanner is fast, like under a second fast. You can store up to 100 fingerprints, which is either perfect for a big family or you just like options. The keypad is backlit for night use, and the lock auto locks if you want it to, which I do because I'm someone who will 100% second guess whether I lock the door when I'm already 10 minutes away. All I needed was a screwdriver and 10 to 20 minutes max. No wiring, no app required. Just slide in and tighten some screws, set up your code and fingerprints, and boom, done. It's been a game changer. I had guests over, gave them a temporary code, no keys to track, no lockouts, and I love that it looks like a regular handle set, not a chunky door robot. It blends in but works way harder than any traditional door lock. If you're still messing around with keys in 2025, you're basically still living in the Stone Age. The Vi's Smart Lock is affordable, stylish, super convenient, and just makes life easier. So go keyless. Your hands and your sanity will thank you.